Hey, good thing you're here. I've got a story for you. And it begins with this door. Hold on. Actually, it begins a bit earlier, when I was told that I'm part of a unique group of highly accomplished college students from around the world who are going to be the Jewish business leaders of tomorrow. Next thing I know, we're on our way to a 10-week internship at A-list companies in one of the most innovative and disruptive business hubs on the face of the planet, aka Tel Aviv. Just a sec, that's the managing partner.
Good morning, Xander.
He knows my name. And listen, if you're into having a ridiculously good time, I've got 4 words for you. Summer in Tel Aviv. Especially as each international fellow was matched with an Israeli peer fellow and experienced the local way of living. And wait, there's more. Talks with some of the sharpest minds in Israel, and absolutely exciting, beautiful weekend trips. That's me, enjoying a freezing shower of cold spring water. I did enjoy plenty of beach time on the Mediterranean, but more importantly, Excel opened doors, so my co-fellows and I now work at amazing companies and organizations, and we're part of an international, lifelong community of fellows who get together, make a social impact, and help each other evolve professionally and personally.
The summer is only the beginning of your Excel journey as fellows. The essence of Excel is the community.
You know, somehow, it feels like the doors that opened for me this summer were the first of many.